Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Pithiviers. I'm going to use Amoretti's almond flour and a couple of our almond extracts. Let's get started. I'm going to make the almond cream filling, and this is powdered sugar, almond flour, and cornstarch that I've put in a food processor and combined. Almond cream is really easy to make. Basically just a lot of butter and your almond flour, a little bit of cornstarch, and some powdered sugar. And I have added Amoretti's almond extract. And we have an almond extract that is a liqueur flambé extract, and it adds an additional layer of almond flavor. All right, so I'm going to let this chill for a couple of hours while I get the puff pastry ready, and we'll be back. So I have some defrosted puff pastry here. Just going to roll it out, and we'll cut out some circles. This is a store-bought puff pastry. You can put it in the refrigerator overnight to let it defrost. It works well that way, and then it'll be ready for the next day when you want to use it. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm just using a cookie cutter. You can use, of course, any cutter that you choose, any size. And because I'm making individual, I'm making them a little bit smaller. This can be made into a savory dish as well. You can fill it with any kind of filling for savory and bake it. It's very nice, crispy, fluffy. But today I'm going to use the almond cream. So we'll lay these out. Okay, so now you just fill them. Just a little bit of almond cream. Leave the edges clean because you're going to egg wash the edges. I've chilled the almond cream and then put it back in the mixer and whipped it up so it's nice and fluffy. Okay, so a little bit of egg wash just to seal the edges. These are great for a breakfast, a snack, tea time. If you like almond cream, it's a really fun thing to make. And our almond extracts really boost up the flavor. And the flambé extract, almond flambé extract, is really nice. All right, so those are ready to be sealed. Put that on top. As I say, you can make these any shape, any size. You can make a large one and fill it with anything savory, some nice sautéed vegetables, or you can make a large one with the almond cream. All right, so I have pinched the edges, but I'm going to do an additional pinch with it and using a small knife. So you pinch and then cut in just a little bit. This is going to make a nice design. Just around the edges. These will chill before we bake them, and you can bake them in a 375-degree oven to start or a 400-degree oven, depending on how your oven bakes. You bake it at the high temperature for about 15 minutes, and then turn it down 25 degrees and bake it for another 20 minutes. Keep your eye on them. It always depends on your oven, of course. If your oven bakes hot, then you want to be sure to keep your eye on them and you don't want to overcook them. It all depends on what your oven does. After I've done the edges here, I will make a design in the center and then I'll chill them. Making this design on the outside also ensures some more sealing as you go around the edges because you're pushing down on it each time. And you want to make sure that it's well sealed because you don't want the almond cream to come out. So now I'm going to make a little design on the top and just score it. So just bring it down to the edge and score lightly with a knife. Looks sort of like a sand dollar. All right, so these need to chill. I'm going to brush them with some egg wash before I put them in the refrigerator. And then I will brush them again a second time. This will give them a nice brown color. Sprinkle some sugar on the top on the second egg washing. That sugar will caramelize in the oven. All right, so we'll bake these and we'll be back. All right, so these have come out of the oven, and I'm going to brush them with just a little bit of simple syrup. This will give it a nice shine. You want to put the simple syrup on when it's hot, otherwise it'll be soggy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and our giveaways. See you next time.